Hi there, this is Natalie from SecretSauce, cooking from my SecretSauce range. Stir-fry turkey and vegetables in teriyaki sauce. Our teriyaki sauce is full of flavorful ingredients. Check it out. Sweetened with honey and no added sugar. No artificial coloring, flavoring, and additives. Full of natural ingredients and bursting with flavor. Most importantly, made for quick and easy cooking in our busy days. We'll need 400 grams mixed vegetables, sliced. There's 250 grams asparagus and 150 grams carrots. 400 grams turkey, thigh cut, sliced, or use any other meat. Now here's the optional step. Corn Starch Thickening Mixture. Mix 2 heaping teaspoons of cornstarch with 70 grams of water, which is exactly 1 espresso cup full. Then mix 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce in. This mix is added at the very end so that all ingredients will be coated with a smooth layer of sauce. A very common cooking step in Chinese stir-fry. Let's get cooking. Add oil, then knead to heated pan at high heat. Add 1 tablespoon teriyaki sauce per 100 grams meat. So 4 spoons here. Saute meat in sauce till it's brown all over. Then it's time to add vegetables. Add 3 more spoons of teriyaki sauce here. Stir fry, then cover for 5 minutes on low to steam. Smells wonderful. It can be served now unless you like to add the optional step. Here's the final step to thicken the sauce. Stir up the mixture as it would have settled since we prepped it at the start. Add mixture, mix in well on high heat. You can now see that the sauce has thickened. Use the same method for any other stir-fry sauces. SecretSauce also offers Korean kalbi, sweet and sour soy sauce for stir-fry. Our teriyaki sauce can also be used as a salad sauce too. You'll find all the cooking details and our web shop in the description below. If you do like our video, please do subscribe. So what are you going to cook later? Thank you for watching, and be seeing you again soon. Bye!